In this video, we'll present to you the best Christmas gifts on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or through the best to the best. We have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what many Christmas gifts will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. One, Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Google's flagship phones get better with every new generation. The Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL have what many critics are calling the best camera of any smartphone, producing sharp, vibrant photos that look even more stunning on the 90Hz OLED smooth display. Why is the screen such a big deal? Well, it refreshes 90 times a second to make all content, pics, videos, websites, look ridiculously smooth. Toss in solid battery life, primarily on the 4XL, and smarter features like the new recorder app that transcribes speech in real time, and you've got two heavy hitters. If you need any more incentive, Amazon is giving away a free 100 gift card with the purchase of either phone. 2. Tile Sticker Bluetooth Tracker. Your beau just unwrapped his brand new iPad and the last thing you want is him misplacing it again before boarding a flight. Toss one of these sticker-based Bluetooth trackers on the tablet as a bonus gift before placing it under the Christmas tree. The Tile Sticker attaches to everything, can track items from up to 150 feet away, and is waterproof. Amazon also has a special deal right now where shoppers can score a 4-pack in an Echo Dot for only $60. These cards will get you drunk game. If there was ever a card game to determine how well someone could hold their liquor, this is it. The concept of these cards will get you drunk is simple: draw a card, follow the rules, and drink. Each of the 100 cards presents a different drinking stipulation that will either work in your favor or leave you wasted halfway through the game. Keep plenty of water and carbs on hand. The brave souls who survived can then press their luck by playing the expansion pack. 4. Fitbit Versa 2 Fitness Smartwatch. Since the new year always sparks fitness aspirations, give your workout partner an encouragement boost by strapping the Fitbit Versa 2 on their wrist. As expected, all basic functions remain intact, such as all-day tracking, example calories burned, step count, and heart rate monitoring. Fitbit brings over standout features from the previous version like automatic exercise recognition for 15 exercises, while introducing new ones. Alexa integration is perfect for automating daily tasks and smart home devices, hands-free. 5. Nintendo Switch Lite. Just when you thought Nintendo couldn't make its home gaming consoles any more portable, here comes the Switch Lite. This smaller and cheaper alternative to the popular Switch lets players enjoy numerous Switch titles on the go, along with hundreds of digital games in the Nintendo eShop. Additionally, it offers up to 30% more battery life than its predecessor and reintroduces the popular D-pad to execute precise moves when playing 2D and classic NES games. In other words, expect Mario to stick his landings more often. Spoil the gamer in your life with one of 3 unique colors: gray, turquoise and yellow. 6. Spiralizer 5-blade Vegetable Slicer. This versatile veggie slicer should give your mom the extra help she needs in the kitchen. Cucumbers, potatoes, squash, and even ginger root can be transformed into pasta thanks to the Spiralizer and its 5 Japanese stainless steel cutting blades. Effortlessly sliced through food for faster meal prep this year. But more than just fun, spiralizing fruits and vegetables can help promote healthy weight loss, too. 7. Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2 Portable Speaker. Portable speakers always make practical gifts, but rarely do you find one that is waterproof and can blast music louder than your HD TV. Those are voids the Wonderboom 2 satisfyingly fill. pumping out crisp sound and booming bass that will rattle listeners off of their pool floaties. At under $100 each, you might feel compelled to gift a set of two since they can be paired together to enjoy 360-degree stereo sound in any setting. 8. Everlasting Comfort Neck Pillow and Sleep Mask Set. A comfy neck pillow and eye mask should help they get the necessary beauty sleep they require when returning home for the holidays. This two-piece travel set was designed with convenience and relaxation in mind. The pillow features gel-infused memory foam that enhances comfort for both the head and neck. The ultra-plush velour cover also feels serenely soothing on the skin. There's even a cell phone pocket designed into the pillow to safely store an iPhone when escaping to dreamland.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.